Good morning. I am going to my secret destination, obviously in Emirates. It's an 8-hour long flight और फिर आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ and why. It's gonna be so exciting. So let's go. I'm traveling in Emirates. I don't know if you know, but I'm watching Baby Reindeer and I watched the from the start. Like मैंने सारे episodes download करे थे Netflix पे and I'm on the 7th episode, the final one. And I didn't sleep for a second in this 7.5 hour flight. And now they gave me some pizza margarita. They gave me some chocolate cake and mango juice. And this is why Emirates is Emirates. It's been a very, very smooth flight. So yeah, let's go to the destination. Guys, Emirates has Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. I cannot deal. The best show ever made. I'm here, but guess where I exactly am. So I just checked into Sofitel, but which Sofitel? Let's see my room for the first time. Damn, son. Whoa! Okay, it's very dark. I need to put the chakar to hai. Damn, guys, look at my room. I'll show you a better tour tomorrow, but what is this mysterious city? We'll find out. And good morning, good afternoon from China, guys. I'm actually in China. Superb room in Sofitel. Look at the glory of this. I mean, ignore what I'm wearing, but are you looking? Like, that's the washroom, and the second door is the shower. Absolutely insane. And then my another favorite part that I never thought. By the way, they have this beautiful writing, so if anybody can tell me what this means. Oh yeah, is this desk. Okay, and this red sofa, by the way. Yeah, but this desk, they have those safety kits. This is like an organizer's heaven. So I open, and then this was my favorite part, not gonna lie. Scissors, glue, staple, pen. All showered and ready for my first day in China. We are going to do the main activity today. Ordered some room service. Let's dig in. We've now left for the market, and we are in the main market where clothes are made for Louis Vuitton and all the big brands. Let's go. And you'll know why I'm going to a clothes market, by the way. Guys, on the streets of China, I can't believe I'm in China. Like, are you guys understanding? Like, what is going on? In the proper wholesale market of, well, everything. And this street goes on and on and on, and people come here only to buy, like, in bulk. Okay, now we're going to the second floor. And I didn't know that something so massive would have a second floor. But this is where all the tops are. Guys, this is why. Look at the amount of work, and there's no space to walk. Like, my god. Quite literal dance. Guys, मैं तो थक गई यार. We walked for 3.5 hours straight. We didn't even squat to sit in the whole market, and मेरी body खत्म हो गई थी. I came back and I passed out for 45 minutes. Man, like, it was bad. My legs, my lower back. Damn, it was an intense session on my first day itself. And now we're gonna get up and get ready because it's my manager's birthday and we're going out to China to eat and chill and party and drink. So yeah. And we're ready. Cute, green on green, chilling, just going for dinner. So yeah, it's just gonna be a fun night. Cute night. Let's go.
Hello.
How are you?
I am
I'm good.
I am Samrat.
Shan, come on, learn something in Chinese. Come on.
अरे आता है मुझे रहने. Yeah.
Kobai.
Kobai.
Goodbye.
And thank you is Shishi. Shishi.
Thanks.
Shanks.
谢谢.
Shishi.
Sheshe. Muskan? Sheshe. Happy birthday to you. Guys, it's her birthday today and she's celebrating it in China. How do you feel?
Chinese birthday.
Chinese birthday.
Chinese birthday का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब it's pretty much the same.
अभी नहीं
No,
वो Chinese.
but aren't you excited? Shan is taking us to a Mexican restaurant in China.
Yeah, oh, Mexican restaurant in China. Very, very thoughtful of China.
Let's go, let's celebrate her birthday. Guys, we're here at this place and it's like apparently a proper expat spot. And I'm back और हमें 9 बजे उठना है. So we just went to a Mexican restaurant for dinner. वहाँ पे music चला था, so I couldn't vlog. And then we went to the bar in Sofitel only in my hotel. Tomorrow is going to be the main day because we're going to work again at the office. So it's going to be insane. Have to wake up at 9. Day 2 wearing my favorite outfit, but I'll show you more on Instagram. Now today we are again on work mode. We're here at the office for, I can't tell you what, but look, Miss Manager and I are twinning. Literally, like, can you believe it in China? Like,
Finally.
thanks.
We've revealed.
To Cloud Pocket in. Let me just plug it in. Oh, that's a crazy method. So this is food deliveries, and I think these are like numbers of all the places here, and you just keep the food inside. They lock it, and then they can come in and use the code and open it. That is. See, they're just scanning the code.
Good or no?
What's happening? I love it. It's a vibe.
Wraparound.
Wraparound skirt.
Denim skirt.
Oh wow. But it's.
I just wear it once. It's like bagpipe.
But it's like back. So futuristic. I mean, they don't understand the language. And the person who was with us, she's left now. So, Jai Mata Di, dekhte hain kya. Why am I so excited? I feel so fresh. Oh my god. Guys, so they've ordered Pani Puri because they're trying it for the first time. The first time. Okay, full thing. You have to put the full thing. Guys, she's ordered dosa in China. Guys, so we're at the Canton Tower and it's the not the longest, what am I saying? The highest tower, the highest tower in China. And we just got our tickets. इतनी मुश्किल से मुस्कान को like translator. Can you please have a ticket? Can you please have a ticket? Whoa! Look at how high up we are. So we were at the observation decks, which are the cloud and the star observation decks, and now we're in the bubble tram. Guys, we're going into the bubble tram. ऊपर से Okay, so he's a trapper and he was like, he's been so sweet and he's like, he'll do the challenge with me. So I'm going to end the video with him. But do you know how to dance generally?
No.
You he doesn't know how to dance, but we're going to teach him just one step. Okay. And with some dinner. Now we're just walking on the streets of... और हमने एक चीज़ नोटिस किया दोनों ने कि यार 9-10 बजे खाली हो जाती हैं सड़कें.
It feels like it's like 3 o'clock in the morning in Mumbai.
Literally शांत मतलब there are barely any people on the street. We dropped her. रेकी हो गया है. कल सुबह शूट करेंगे. अब उसको मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया. उसका होटल पास में था. And now we're walking the streets alone in China. What is this life? Like ये कब हुआ? Insane. Like my work lets me do so many crazy things. Touch wood. Why am I wearing a sari in China, you ask? Well, I'm asking the same question. I had to put a paper clip so that my sari stays intact, the andar wala, because अगर China की streets पे मेरी साड़ी गिर गई. Now it's time to walk in a sari with sneakers in China और सब लोग मुझे ऐसे देख रहे हैं कि आज तक उन्होंने कभी किसी लड़की को नहीं देखा साड़ी पहनते हुए. It's too funny. All should have been here. Guys, oh my god, it's drizzling. It's drizzling heavily. Oh god, guys, मेरी किस्मत. It's drizzling. Guys, we will try to shoot the video. नहीं हुआ तो look at the rain. My hair is fully wet. The sari is fully wet. Sorry, Riya. But ये एक अलग ही experience था. And cannot wait to show you guys. Insane. That coordination.
The coordination though.
We had some lunch and now we're in the market shopping and we have our look at she's actually holding our shopping. हमने already पकड़ लिया and we actually have someone who's holding our stuff. So yeah, we're gonna shop for everybody, family, friends. 210 for both.
Yes, sir.
Two pieces 210.
Yes.
You can't do 200. Do 200 no.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, thank you. इस बैग के अंदर 7-8 और बैग हैं, इसके अंदर बैग हैं, इसके अंदर भी 5-6 बैग्स हैं. So you can imagine how much we shop. We're in the Beijing street. It's like a whole world on its own, like shops, food, malls. It's insane from like all the brands you can possibly think of. Nike, original stuff, like insane. We're finally in the plane. We are going via Qatar Airways for the first time, and it's been a crazy trip. Can't wait to show you why we actually went. And now we're finally heading to Dubai. I have a layover in Doha, and it's going to be a 12-hour journey. So wish me luck. But that's about it for now. See you later. Nidhi Kumar.